Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to Bull Street. In this video, we are going to discuss about Tata Motors in option segment. How Tata Motors in this lucky market is allowing a trader to make 2 lakhs rupees within a span of just 15 days in linear option trading. So before going to those details, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips plans offered by Bull Street through WhatsApp in live market. There are two kinds of trading tips plans. One is known as Superfans Option, in which we give low budget option trading tips in stock option with the entry price, target price, and related updates in live market. So all of the tips are low priced only, low premium only. Sometimes we give penny level option tips. We have three highlights in the Superfans option. The first highlight is the working capital requirement. Just 10k is enough to enter into this Superfans option with the working capital. So 10k is enough, 10,000 rupees is enough. And second highlight is there won't be a loss in this style of trading because we employ a safe trading method. Not only that, the investment itself very low. So to take one lot of trading in stock option, a sum of 600 rupees or 800 rupees, 1000 rupees, 1500 rupees, sometimes 2000 rupees alone, alone is needed. So we need not fetch more money in this in the market. And third highlight is, suppose a person joins the Superfans option, he will not leave the plan without making any profit because the past performance is amazing. So every month we give amazing profits in Superfans option. Most of the time the investment got doubled. Sometimes rarely the investment got tripled. Sometimes very rarely the investment gives a jackpot level profit. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. So you can remit the subscription by GPay, PhonePe, Amazon Pay, Paytm, such kind of a payment app to our WhatsApp number and join immediately to this plan. And another one is Superfans Penny, in which we give safe investment stocks, potential penny stocks in the price range of just 5 paise to 20 rupees. So these stocks are not tradable. You can just buy these stocks and hold these stocks in your Demat account, 40 stocks per month. So the these stocks will give an enormous growth within a span of few months to few years. The subscription to join Superfans Penny is also 7,999 per month. So I can say that you can join Superfans option and the Superfans Penny together. Now we go to the video how it is possible to make 2 lakhs rupees within a span of 15 days in option segment with help of this Tata Motors. So I used to watch the Tata Motors quite long time. I am in the market for 4 decades. So I used to watch the Tata Motors. I mint money in Tata Motors in different occasions because and I can say that I can say with the open heart, the Tata Motors is the most sluggiest stock. If you are not able to understand the price movement of this Tata Motors, it will eat away. It will eat away the stop loss if you put any stop loss there, because the Tata Motor stock is very much struggling now. It gives back and forth movement again and again and again. See, because of the setbacks like JLR slowdown, semiconductor chip slowdown, and other parameters, so Tata Motors is struggling like anything. But we can make money with Tata Motors. See here, if you look at the graph, in the month of June on 20th, I noticed that there is a great way of entering into 445 call option at the price of entry price of just 5 rupees. 5 rupees is a moderate level because the lot size is 1425 rupees. So the investment to have this one lot will be around, if I am mathematically correct, will be around 7,125 rupees only. If a person trades with the 10 lots, so it will leads to an investment of 71,250 only. So it's a smaller amount. Now, in recent times, the Tata Motors started to move in a linear way. Though it moves in a linear way, in between two extremes, it allows the trader to make interim, intraday, and BTST, STP kind of profits at minor level. So I always used to say that if you look at the Tata Motors, try to short sell at first. And if you look at the Tata Motors in option segment, try to take a put option instead of call option. So for intraday. Such kind of opportunities the Tata Motors always gives. Another similar stock is Maruti. We will see about Maruti in a separate video, exclusive video. And here between two extreme ends like June 20 and exit on July 8th. So July 8th, there was a possibility of getting away from the stock at a exit price of 19 rupees. So the profit price is 14 rupees per lot. So 14 rupees per lot fetch you a profit of 19,950 rupees per lot, and it leads to 1.995 lakhs of rupees for 10 lots. So if a person trades with 10 lots with a startup capital of 71,250, it gives a fabulous profit of around 2 lakh rupees within a span of 15 days. So now to conclude this video, I can say that if you want to make money with Tata Motors, identify the two extreme levels. If it is linear, you can concentrate on call option if you goes in the positive direction. Otherwise, if you go in the negative direction, it allows you to view two extreme levels. You can go a put option with a linear movement. So even though it gives a linear movement either in the positive direction or negative direction, call option or put option, this stock allows you to do multiple trading with interim intraday level. In this video, I have not calculated how much profit earned in intraday level. Multiple trading in intraday level. Only thing is one trade, one solid intraday, not intraday, one solid linear positional trade with one entry point, one exit point. It gives a fabulous profit. So another stock is Maruti. I will put a separate video on Maruti. So don't miss the Tata Motors. So try to move along with the Tata Motors. Try to understand the levels of Tata Motors. Make money always in the Tata Motors. So in my perception, I can say that the Tata Motors will allow the trader to mint money up to the Deepavali festival time. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.